Now I start these seeds by germinating them. So what you're going to need is a paper towel, a Ziploc bag or a freezer bag, and your seed. You can do this with multiple seeds in a bag, but you just want to get your paper towel nice and moist. You want it moist. You don't want it like dripping, like water dripping out of it. You just want it like nice and moist. Then you take it and just wrap your seed up in it. Just wrap your seed up in it. Stick it in the Ziploc bag. And I don't zip it all the way. I either leave it all the way open, or I zip it halfway to try and keep some moisture in. And you come back and check that in 7 to 10 days or about a week. All right, it's been a week. Came back to check my seed, and we have some sprouts on it. Got some roots forming and the sprout is forming. This is how I grow my Chayote plants from seed when I'm only growing a small amount, like maybe like 5 to 10. I start them in pots. So all you need is a pot of soil. You need a pot of soil per seed, and this is your seed. You want to set your whole fruit or your whole seed horizontally, halfway in moist, fertile soil. Here's my soil. Now, as you can see with my seed, it has already started to slightly root, and it's already started to sprout because I had it soaking in a wet paper towel. So now I'm just going to stick these roots in the soil facing down and just cover it about halfway. And that's all I do. It usually takes a few weeks for you to see a sprout. So during that time, you just keep it moist and warm. And during that process, the fruit may shrivel up and show blemishes, but that's normal. So it's nothing wrong with it. It's not sick or anything if it starts to blemish up or shrink. And then once the weather breaks, once it's warm enough in April, sometime in early April, I'll put it outside. If this was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it.